How climate change alters our water world. Climate change is reshaping our world, and its impact on water resources is profound and far-reaching. From scorching droughts to devastating floods, let's explore how these changes affect our planet's water systems. Climate change is driving unpredictable weather patterns, causing extremes in both droughts and floods. These changes disrupt the delicate balance of water availability across the globe. Some regions are grappling with prolonged dry spells, while others are hit with intense flooding. Our planet's water cycle is a delicate system of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. But as temperatures rise, this cycle speeds up, leading to more extreme weather events. Increased evaporation adds more water vapor to the atmosphere, causing heavier rainfall in some areas and worsening droughts in others. With shifting precipitation patterns, some areas are receiving less rainfall, while others face frequent storms. This shift can disrupt agriculture, leading to crop failures and water shortages. Regions reliant on predictable seasonal rains may find their crops struggling if rains arrive too early, too late, or not at all. Climate change is melting glaciers and shrinking snowpacks, vital sources of fresh water for many regions. As these natural reservoirs diminish, water shortages become more severe, impacting drinking water supplies, agriculture, and industries that depend on these water sources. Ecosystems like wetlands, rivers, and lakes rely on steady water flow to thrive. When climate change disrupts this flow, it affects the plants and animals that depend on these ecosystems. Droughts can dry up rivers, harming fish populations, while increased flooding can damage wetlands and displace wildlife. Climate change also impacts water quality. Warmer temperatures can boost the growth of harmful bacteria and algae, contaminating drinking water supplies. Extreme weather events, such as floods, can wash pollutants into our rivers and lakes, further degrading water quality. To safeguard our water resources for future generations, we need sustainable management strategies. This includes conserving water, harvesting rainwater, improving irrigation techniques, restoring natural ecosystems, and upgrading our water infrastructure to prevent leaks and losses. Together, we can make a difference. By adopting these strategies and being mindful of our water use, we help protect our planet's precious water resources. Let's work towards a future where everyone has access to clean, reliable water.